Everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we're going to show you how to make the multi-purpose jewelry holder. On this jewelry holder you can store your earrings, rings, necklaces, glasses or goggles and even your bangles. The things needed are cardboard, shewax and newspaper rolls. We'll first begin by taking two triangular cardboard pieces and gluing them together. Now we'll take a newspaper roll and glue at the sides of the triangle. Once we have glued it, we'll take 3 shewax and pierce them into the 3 corners of the triangle. Now take the other top ends of the shewax and then join them at the center and tie with the jute thread. Tie it as you can see here. We'll also take a smaller triangular piece of cardboard and stick in the center to give some support for the shewax. Now we have cut few popsicle sticks in variable size as per needed and now we're going to glue it on the shewax. This is where you'll be hanging your earrings. Now cutting few more popsicle sticks and gluing to cover the triangular support. I have made these 2 hooks from this metal wire and now I'm gonna glue this onto the popsicle stick. Now glue the popsicle onto the stand. Now I've cut some shewax in variable sizes and I'll be gluing them randomly on the stand in a zigzag manner. Now I have also made the slider. To make the slider you need to take a rectangular piece of cardboard smaller than the base and glue 2 chopsticks one above another on the side of the cardboard. And now your jewelry stand is done. You can paint the stand if you want to, but I like it like this so I did not paint it. On this jewelry stand you can hang any of your earrings, the one with the hook or the one with the rubber backing. Thank you for watching the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye!